Made this for my friend. Some extra crispy fried chicken. It looks so good. And I also made this big plate of yellow rice. Thank you so much for watching. One love. God bless. I cooked my baked chicken until it's very tender. You see that? It's just falling off the bone and everything. I did boil this for like 5 minutes though, just to give a little color to it. A bite. Now I'm going to take a bite of the baked chicken. It's very good. Now I'm going to take a bite of my extra crispy fried chicken. Normally I eat fried chicken with hot sauce, but I'm going to eat it plain for you guys. It is so good. The hot sauce I use, Grace hot pepper sauce. I have a little bit left. Gotta get more. Gonna put a little bit of that on that piece of fry. Ooh, yes. That's how much I like. I actually like more hot sauce, but this is be good for right now. And I'm gonna take another bite because I'm so hungry. Got a good crunch action. Thank you so much for watching. One love. God bless.